What's going down, everybody? It's Daryl, DWES Enterprise. We gotta do water restoration, man. Gotta clean up all this snow. Anybody help me? And she's just gonna play in the snow. We got work to do. And it's gotta be one of the most difficult things I've done. So we're not gonna be able to make it to Reno, but we ended up getting a hotel in Pollock Pines because it says chain control and it's wild up here, yo. So we got 3.5 miles to go, and there was ice coming down like a little bit ago. I couldn't even get on the camera. Visibility is terrible. That's slush, I think. I don't know. Alright, what do you say? Go up these goddamn stairs. Man. Come on. Better figure out a way to go pee in this one. It's slushy. Hey, come on. That shit hurt. All right, let's roll, buddy. Why my phone's so dark? Hold this. Oh, there we go. Good. Nothing.
Why would it move?
This shit's open.
I swear it.
I know, but you know what's funny is when you said that,
Yeah.
there was hella wind outside.
You think it's from that?
There's hella wind right here. I can feel it.
Oh my god, that shit scared the shit out of me. So that moved? Well, you had the door open.
Yeah, no.
My God,
I was like, ooh, we about to get us on his ass right now, boy.
I'm so scared, Daddy, I swear. And there's nothing on this side?
There's nothing.
Want to open the door and see if something moves? Put it back in there. Because it was this one that moved.
Well, no, it was this. This was closed.
No, but I know all of them. Like that.
This was closed. And then this one was like this.
Do you want to open the door?
No, I doubt there's any way. But there was a hell of wind. I was taking a picture out there. It's like almost impossible.
Are you sure, Daddy? Nobody knows. I mean, really, no one can stand on that, right?
Nobody can stand on that. Hey, so I had the back door open, and then these have been like this the whole time, right? And then I had the back door open. Liza, she's over here, and she runs over to me, and she's like, "Hey, someone just moved this. This shit was like this. It moved on its own and went like this." And then that one up there was open. So I looked up there, and it's the attic, and I could feel like a big old gust of wind up there. So what happened was, when I had that open with the whole gust of wind, somehow the gust came up and moved all this shit out the way, because there's nothing up there. And I don't know if I'll be able to do it again. I had the heater was on. This shit, it was gusting hella. Like, all the snow went this way towards us. Let me see if we can make it do it again. But it was just like a big, like, whoosh, like this way. And I closed the door. And then that's when she ran over. But that shit crazy. I was like, ooh, it's time to get in someone's ass. And, yeah, but there wasn't a gust of air either. Like a big gust of wind. It was a really big gust of wind. And then this is the intake for the heater. So I have no clue. All right, y'all, let's see what it looks like. See, they came down here with the plow. Man. Got the snow boots. Car is packed. Couldn't even open the thing, the trunk. This is about maybe like 3 inches of snow. We forgot our boots in the car, so Liza wanted to wear those. I said, you better wear your snow boots. What was it?
Huh?
Don't eat what?
Yellow snow.
Don't eat yellow snow. Oh, it's yellow, y'all. Got my Kanye's on. All right, y'all. So we out here. We're just trying to go up the road a little bit to the store, but it's definitely snowing like crazy. We got the car in off-road mode, which basically, like, if I remember correctly, helps it with the, because it's all-wheel drive, rear wheel bias. So off-road will make it all-wheel bias, pretty much. Hey, I wouldn't believe this, y'all. We just pushed this lady from where he's at to right there because she got stuck on, but she got front wheel drive and bald tires. It's a cold game, boy. All right, y'all. So far so good. Car's handling well. I was getting nervous mainly because of like all season tires, but they do have videos on it where the car handles pretty good in the snow, you know, decently.
Oh.
It's a badass kid.
Did you see that? You didn't show it. We should do that.
Yeah, and then you know what they gonna say?
I look like a kid.
They gonna call it the popo. Like somebody that's not the same color as the snow, he's throwing stuff at cars.
Their parent was right there.
Yeah, parent not caring. That's a vet. Only out here they got hitchhikers.
He didn't even do it to us.
He didn't do it to us. He said, "That's some right there." So one thing about us is when we go out with our, we take our dog everywhere we go. We always stay at a Best Western. Usually it's a Best Western Plus, but I think the Best Western Plus are a little bit, I wouldn't say upscale, but like renovated, I guess. But we just brought her out. It wasn't even snowing until we walked right outside. She loved it though. This is her roots from Mother Russia. Cows. Cows. Hey, I was gonna fly the drone too, but I guess not. It wasn't snowing just a second ago. She don't know where it's at.
Where is it, Mama? And where'd it go now? Where'd it go? Bring it back. Bring it back to me, guys.
Trying to hit me with a snowball.
Alright guys, he's gonna do a soul angel. Let's see what he does. And then there goes his shadow. Callie follows him everywhere. Get him, Callie. Look at her. Callie, stay here, Mama.
I can't get up.
Too bad. Help him, Callie. She's having too much fun. She don't care. Get him, Callie.
I messed up my...
Do it again. I'll go up close.
Oh, snap.
Let's see what his
I got on
snow
hella
angel
layers.
look like. A whole bunch. I mean, kind of you can see it. Yeah.
If I didn't bullshit in it.
I mean, you can't tell from here, but good job, babes.
I gotta go under the tree or something.
I know.
Oh, look at my butt crack. All right, Cal. Ready?
Okay, go. Your tummy showing. There you go. That's better.
The Undertaker away. Oh, no! Undertaker set.
Yeah.
I think it has to be deeper.
I mean, I can see it from my height.
Yeah. You can see it. It just shows different on camera.
You can kind of see it. You can see the arms, my leg, and then my little dome. That's the hook. All right, y'all, last day here. Oh, we about to pack up and cut. Still snowing. Look how much this is. Super deep, y'all. That's at least a foot. God dang. This is the route I take. I got on my snow boots and my snow pants. They don't look like they came plowed or anything. Hopefully we can get out of here. So me not thinking, I put the snow scraper and stuff inside the car. Because yesterday I used my hand, right? And it's cool, but man, I probably messing up that paint. And then we ended up going to buy one. Like the long one was like $20. But we got at least a good foot on top of the car. Easy. And, you know, what's funny too is a lot of people put their wipers up, but to be honest, it doesn't. Ours was fine yesterday. And then I did a Google search because I'm like, why do people do that? And it says that people say that your wipers, some people think that it helps your wipers out, but I don't know. Get all this off really fast. All right, oh man, it's coming down still. That's crazy. Hopefully this works. It's a lot to get through. I think this is better than my hand, than my glove. At least when I start the car. All right, y'all. I had to restart my phone. It was tripping. Maybe I'm going too slow. Who knows? But I don't give a damn. I really ain't trying to scratch my car. But yesterday, some dude was taking all the snow off his car with a gosh darn shoe. You can see how much snow is on here. It's thick, y'all. It's at least 8-10 inches right here. Easy. And then up here it's like about the same, I guess. Yesterday I did it with my glove, like I said earlier, and the glove feel easier, but you're gonna get scratches on your paint with this too, but I feel like it's a better option. All right, y'all, we finally out of that. Again, I'm slow. I ain't trying to mess up this paint. I probably already did, but it's all good. Kicked the side a little bit, but probably doing too much, but it is what it is. She purdy though. She ain't white. That's one thing I figured out with this snow, because it looked gray. Alright, y'all, posse out. We ain't gotta go home, but we gotta get the hell out of here, boy. Imagine having to snow shovel all this crap on a daily, sometimes twice a daily. No signal? Oh, no, he got a signal. You gotta take all that snow off, buddy, so we can see your signals. I don't know if you can see it on camera or not, but it's harder to see it in person. Callie back there. Probably got a doo-doo. Her doo-doo pattern was off on this trip. She didn't like none of this snow. Unless he's sliding. He did a little zip. He got it. She look like a cold Eskimo, don't she? Remember I was telling you guys about the wiper blades? They work fine. Like, I don't know why people be putting them up. No, I thought sometimes the GPS does that.
There's no signal. Looks fake.
Alright, so we're out of the snow. It didn't take that long. Maybe like 10 minutes after we got on the freeway. So probably 5 miles from where we were, because we took the streets. So we smooth. We just made it, like, as far as where it was snowing, because you could tell down here there's no snow at all. Yeah, 10 miles. That's about, yep. That's why and it was funny too, because we're coming up, it's nighttime, and it's raining the whole way here pretty much. But as we start getting over here, it gets a little worse. And there's like a little spot, like maybe 5 miles back behind us. And we're driving like a little caravan, so there's probably like 5 cars, and that's including us. And mind you, we're on this road kind of like what they are, you know what I'm saying, like 5 cars together, and then the 4 cars in front of us, and I don't know if they're together or not, but they all exited. And it said chain control or something, or chain. That's pretty much where you get your chains at, I guess, or put them on, and we're the only dum-dum heads. I'm like, why did they go straight? I mean, why did they exit? We're the only ones going straight. And then right after I said that, it started coming down super hard, visibility was really bad and it was hella windy. And I'm talking nervous. Oh yeah, I was there. But we were driving slow. We were the only ones on the freeway, so it wasn't like I had anybody trying to push me. But even if, I'm not going any faster. And then, I don't know, we're probably doing like 35, 40 at that time. And then we started seeing some cars, like the lights, the red lights. So we know that, you know, other cars were driving on it. So we're all together, and that's kind of like where the video starts, where we have our hazards on. We're kind of with that group, and that makes us feel a little bit better, like, because we're not really from this type of scene, so we don't know what the heck's gonna happen. But it was super windy. I mean, this vehicle weighs 5,000 pounds, and it was rocking it. So, but the whole thing was, we had two options for Best Western. We had Placerville, which is down here, which there's no snow, and then we have Pollock Pines, which I don't know. I know it kind of snows down here sometimes, down in Placerville, but I just wanted to get further into the mountain. That way we can definitely get to the snow, because I already knew kind of like we just got to get closer, which was perfect. The only thing about that hotel was the beds sucked. It was like full-size beds. They weren't comfortable. You could feel the springs in them. And it was just like, damn. So we were tossing and turning. We slept in the same bed the first night. And then the second night for a little bit, and I was like, man, I gotta see if I gotta get in that other bed, yo, and that didn't help either, so crazy. But all right, y'all, we'll see y'all when we see you. Yeah, I just want to, you know, have video memories for trips we take and stuff, so that's why I do these videos.
We'll do one more stop though to take Kelly out so she can go. I'm not gonna video that.
I'm not about taking a video for her taking a doo-doo
Well,
and
we'll
pee.
take a pit stop.
But that's it for this one. I'm about to go find a power washer, power wash all this snow off of this piece and all the nasty stuff. Spend a couple of dollars because of snow and the salt. It'll tear your car up. Peace. All right, y'all. So we all, you know, back and unpacked and all that stuff. So the car is empty. I just gotta, only one thing I really gotta do is, well, two really, but the most important is vacuum Callie's area, because we don't want like her hair to just build up. Well, I don't want it for sure. So you guys can see her hair, and back there she just sheds. And what we try to do to make this a lot easier, which is not, I mean, it helps, but we have these like seat protectors, and we got two of them. So we got one that of course goes, you know, like the front and the back of the seat or whatever. And then we have this one that goes underneath. So the back of the seat and then underneath. And then it also protects the floor a little bit and comes down here. So really all I got to do is vacuum this up, and then I put it inside the wash machine with a little bit of bleach. So that's one thing I got to do. And then the second one is actually wash the car. All I did so far is I took it to the self-serve car wash and rinsed it down like really, really good. Because you know the snow and stuff and the salt will eat up at your stuff. So I don't want to keep it on there for too long. So just power wash the heck out of it with their soap, left it on there. and then got in the wheel well, the wheels underneath as much as I could. Same thing over here. And then inside the grill. This does have like the active shutters, so it's closed in there, so I couldn't really, you know, but whatever. It's fine. You know, I couldn't get in there, but I'm not really tripping off of it too much, just the radiator. But the other thing I got, man, UPS is late. I got underneath also the back, and then inside the door area, like underneath here, and then like right up in there. And then I also got the windows. I rain-nexed them. That's what I wanted to do on the way there, but ran out of time. And then what we did, it was raining pretty bad, and it was kind of hard to see. Because I don't know if you know, but if your window is not treated with the Rain-X, the water on there just like, it's like a fat sheet of water instead of beading, and just, you know, beads off the window. So it's like looking through your glasses or something if you have like water all on it. It's just terrible. But you know, we just rolled with it. We did stop at Target, like in Vacaville or something, because I was like, man, we got to do it. But we didn't end up doing it because we couldn't find like a structure, like a garage or something, because you can't do it in the rain. But so we just roll with it, which I should have known, but now we're all set. So, you know, we do want to go to the snow more often, if we can, at least once a year. So we have camping, or, you know, snow in the snow season, and we have camping in the summer, and we got Vegas also in the summer. You know, we just want to enjoy ourselves and take trips in this. But so I did all the windows. But I didn't wash the car. So usually when I don't take it through any car wash, I will, and my hands look ashy. I will basically wash it myself by hand. Like I use microfiber towels. I use about 7 of them, and kind of do it panel by panel, and then kind of don't use that towel anymore. So the reason why I'm making this video is because, with that being said, you know, I had to use the snow scraper or brush, right, to get the snow off. I have an idea for next year, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna try it, but I want to put a car cover over the car, and then get the snow off, and then just take the car cover off. I don't know how good of an idea that is. Probably not a good idea, since the car cover will just get dirty. But we're gonna figure something out. Or at least the car, the paint will also just get nasty because all the stuff that's on it. So I don't know, but it's a thought. I have to look it up. But look at this. Look at all the swirls and scratches. That wasn't there like that before. I can guarantee you that. And you know, when we're brushing off the snow going up and down. And what really got me was over here. This is what made me even just think about it. This one right here. So I was probably going like this, you know, trying to get this area here, and look at it. I mean, I can fix that. I got to do that anyway because I want to ceramic coat this. We're gonna polish it and everything, and compound and polish it. That way we can get it perfect as possible, and then we'll be putting a ceramic coating over it. And then after that, shortly after that, we're going to be wrapping it anyway with the DWES DWES stuff, like the red wrap. We're going to leave the roof white. From the rails down will be red. Probably the spoiler or whatever will be red, and then just the roof and the antenna will be white. And we're gonna put the logo on here, but I just want to protect it. But yeah, man, it's crazy how that happens. I gotta figure out what's best, like what people are doing. You know, we're not, you know, we're not in the snow like that. I did watch a video though, and somebody said get a leaf blower and blow off the snow, but sometimes that stuff is on there. So I don't know. So you can even see right here. But it's a car, man. I just want to keep it as nice as possible, and then we can enjoy it. But what are you gonna do? Like the license plate say, it's DWES for life, y'all.